Hi, Martin here, and in this video I'm going to show you 20 Mac shortcuts that you need to know. So let's get started. Okay, so I'm going to use Word to demonstrate my first few shortcuts. So the first one we have is the copy shortcut, and to do that, highlight what you want to copy and then hit Command and C. Our second shortcut, similar, is the cut shortcut, where we hit Command and X, and that will cut what we've selected. Our next shortcut is the paste shortcut, where we hit Command plus V, and that will paste whatever we have copied or cut. Our next shortcut is the save shortcut. Hit Command and S, and it will save the application that you have open. Next, there's a few options of essentially closing or minimizing our application. So first off, to hide, we hit Command and H. If we then wanted to minimize the application instead, we'd hit Command and M. And then finally, if we want to close the application, we'd hit Command or W. Our next shortcut allows us to hide all of our open applications. So if we hit Command Option and click somewhere on the desktop, it will hide all the applications that we currently have open. Next is opening up app preferences. So open up any app on your Mac and then hit Command and comma. And what that will do is open up the preferences for that application. Our next shortcut is the find shortcut. So in your application, hit Command F. It will take you to the find search function. Hit the term that you want to search, and then it will highlight it in the application you have open. Next, we can open up our applications window by opening up a Finder window, and then from there hitting Command, Shift and A, and it will automatically switch to applications. The next one is a shortcut to open up Spotlight, so simply hit Command and space, and it will open up the Spotlight search bar. If we hit the Option and Brightness buttons, what that will do is open up display preferences. If you want to hide your dock for any reason, hit Command, Option and D, and your dock will be hidden. Simply hit that again, and it will be reshown. If you want to switch between the applications that you have open, hit Command and Tab. If you want to force quit an application, hit Command, Option and Escape. It will give you a list of the applications you have open, and you can force quit them from there. Our last few shortcuts involve using a web browser such as Safari. So if you want to go back a web page, simply hit Command and the left arrow key. If you want to go forward a web page, simply hit Command and the right arrow key. If you want to open up a tab that you recently closed, then hit Command, Shift and T, and it'll open up the last tab that was closed. If you want to quickly select the Safari address bar, hit Command and L. And then finally, if you want to go to the top or the bottom of a web page, simply hit the function key and then left or right. So there you have it, 20 shortcuts you can use on your Mac. I hope it's been useful. If it has, then please like the video and consider subscribing for more content. Thanks, and I'll see you in the next video.